Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell. I'm in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Fluid Art Studio with a 14 by 14 inch canvas. And I'm going to put some pillow paint on it in a minute. And hope we can do this really fast. Some around the outside edge. Some in the middle. I have a pan full of pillow paint on the base that was runoff that I gathered from my silicone mat, and in other places there was leftover paint in the bottom of my container, and there were a few places where there was just color on the silicone mat, and all of those I used my OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula to scrape up. Hopefully there aren't too many lumps in there. There might be a couple. And although I might need a little more paint in the center of this canvas, I also might not. So my first inclination would be to spin it out a little bit. After I get rid of that. Always wanted to try this. Okay, so I was going to say here goes nothing, but I might have to scrape that off. And I will add the colors in the description that came from the last painting that went in there. Let me grab my spatula. I'm going to throw a couple more colors in there, and then I'm going to swipe real fast. But I've used my paint, so I'm not unhappy. I want some of my Indian Spice Gold, which I'm so close to being almost out of. That's the noise it makes. Oh no! This is my Rhapsody Rose. This is a primary element. The Indian Spice is both a primary element and a Prizm pour. What else have I got? I know I want something else. Oh, the Quinacridone Nickel Azo Gold. And I'm not going to forget that I love the Indigo Violet, which is a Prizm pour. Now I've got a card, some black Australian, some Amsterdam black with Australian Floetrol, cell activator, and white. And I've got Boom Gel. Don't forget there's a 10% off Pixel Paint Design coupon code underneath the video. I think I will use some of the teal. They're both pearlescent. I'm going to throw that card in the bucket. I don't have a lot of time. I'm loving those cells. I'm going to point them right toward the center. I may go over, I may grab another little acetate tool. If you don't see the tutorial link underneath the video, ask me. I'm loving that purple in there. Actually, I'm loving both of the purple and the teal. So I'm going to do both again. Throw that in the bucket. Time to bring in my scoop and drag tools. That is pretty darn cool. Don't go too fast, you might make a mistake. If I scrape down a canvas, I gotta cover it back up. Same as if I dribble. I want to cover that up too. I think I could probably safely say that I would spin this out and be pretty happy with it no matter what at this point, because I love the colors and I see lots of cells. I'm hoping I have enough paint to spin out. I'm going to steal some. Right there. Oh, that's a nice deep area. I could steal a bunch from that. Love those turquoise cells. Gotta slow my roll or I'm gonna break them up. I still like the stripes though. I will probably be taking a skewer, bamboo skewer, and adding a couple few spirals if necessary. And I hope my head wasn't in the way the whole time. That is pretty sharp. Where else can I go? Dinner won't wait for me. And I'm late. I had just barely enough time to get this done, and I did not want to leave the paint sit until tomorrow. Love those leopard print cells. So it's time to grab the skewer. Throw a few spirals in. Any straight lines will turn into something straighter and larger. So be aware, if you don't affect it, it will remain and increase. Like that. I think I'm ready. I hope I am. I need a better... Yep, we're gonna make it. I love testing fate. Alright, that's a little bit off square, so hopefully that's okay. I think this is, oh, I've got my fingers and toes crossed. I think this is going to be great. I love the colors. It makes me want to put some extra paint in where I saw those drips, but I think if I keep, I like that. I don't mind it. I've got some drips, some paints over here, and I'm thinking I might want to add that, and I could add something else, but maybe I'll just leave it. So this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida, at Expressionist Fluid Art Studio, saying, I give lessons. You can inquire through my email address. It's EASPB and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com. I also do sell my artwork. I'd love to sell some artwork. It would help me pay for canvases. But those of you who are helping me pay for canvases are the people who are joining the membership and enjoying more than 110 videos for members only, or those of you using PayPal or Patreon. This is awesome! I don't know. I get really lucky when I tempt fate. My community board will show you tomorrow's video. I don't think I'm going to worry too much about anything else. I'm going to have to shimmer at you. But this is just stunning in my opinion. I love this. Woohoo! I'm going to try and get up on my... Okay, let's see if I can get my flashlight to work. I love leftovers. Leftovers are loving me back. Please like and share my videos. When you watch them longer, you help me out. Your comments keep my morale boosted and help me out. My Amazon link is on the link tree near the Colourarte coupon code for 20% off. Don't forget Pixel Paint Designs. I'll share with you the Boom Gel, the Pebeo, and the Australian Floetrol should you want to get that. I see a little critter in there. I might want to spiral that out instead. But thank you so much for being here. I love you guys. You inspire the heck out of me. Anything that I need to put in a little gap over there, I will. I think I have just enough white I can do that. But I don't think it'll look any different than this if I can possibly help it, because I love what I'm seeing. All right, you guys. On my link tree, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook group, Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Appreciation Group, Society 6, Legalerist, a Colour Art link, a Pixel Paint Design link, my new website, my old website. Hey, and my paint pouring recipes are below the video. There are 30 different lists of 100 videos. And they're also separated and organized by topic and genre. This is fantastic. I'm so happy with this. Thank you so much for being here. My community board will show you tomorrow's video. Questions are welcome and encouraged. I posted 10:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I love you all. I gotta go. Don't call me late for dinner. Bye for now. Priscilla out. If I forgot something, you'll see it in another video. Bye for now.